Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to test the stick drift on your PlayStation 4 controller to know exactly how much stick drift you have. Now, there's a game called Call of Duty Warzone that allows you to actually see this, and this is free to play. So you just need to go ahead and get it from the store. So if you go to the store, if you try to search for it, it's going to be a little difficult to find. So I suggest just going to games right here. Then go on down to where it says free. Then go all the way to the right, go to all free games, and then go to sort, and then just go to A to Z. Then go on down under this list until we can find Call of Duty. It shouldn't be very far down the list. And then here's Call of Duty Warzone. Now go ahead and get this and then open it up. So let's play the game. And then we can go to the controller settings. And then we can actually see how much percentage of stick drift we have on the right side or the left side with the settings, and it's very convenient. So you know exactly what is wrong with it. So you're going to get into the game, and then you'll have to log in. And then there's going to be like 6 or 7 different games. Call of Duty Black Ops, Cold War, etc. Call of Duty has basically become a launcher now for multiple different games. So just press R1. And go over to Warzone so you can see all these different games on here now. Just go to Warzone and you can play this. And then once we get in here, press Options. And go to Settings by pressing R1. Go to Controller. And under here, go all the way down under Controller, the first setting. I'm going to turn off Vibration. Here's Dead Zones. Let's press Square to make this a little bit larger. And here's Test Stick Drift. So you can see on my controller, this is actually pretty good. I'm at 0, 0. So if I move my stick just a little bit to the right, you can see it says 10% on the x-axis, and then 3%-ish on the y-axis. And I can do the same thing on this side. So you can know exactly how much stick drift you have. So I actually suggest turning off the dead zones, the left stick bin, and the right stick bin, and you can see exactly how much you have. So naturally, my stick has -1 on the left and then 3 on the y-axis, and then my right stick has on the vertical 2%. So a lot of games, they do allow you to adjust the dead zone. So if you do have just a small amount of stick drift, so I'm going to go and adjust this, and I can just bump it up to like 3 or 4 on each side, and that will eliminate the stick drift. So the dead zones are pretty much going to make it so you have to push your stick further to represent some sort of action on the screen. So if you make the dead zones very big, you're going to have to push the stick further to the left or right before it's represented on the screen. So you got 0, 0 dead zones, your sticks are going to be extremely sensitive. And it looks like I still have a little bit on the right. So you can just look at this and see exactly how much you have, which is very nice. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.